Authorities found travel pass and other documents apparently owned by a so-called Pogo big boss in Pampanga. Here's the report.
Using a acetylene cutter, authorities opened all 19 vaults found in a villa in Clark, Pampanga. These contain documents and official receipts of Baofu Land Development Incorporated, where suspended Mayor Alice Guo was an incorporator. A travel pass owned by alleged Pogo big boss Wang Ziyang was also found. The travel pass was issued during the height of the COVID-19 pandemic in 2021. It was signed by former Bamban Mayor Jose Antonio Feliciano. PAOK says it's possible that the construction of Bamban Pogo Hub started around that time.
I think kailangan imbestigahan bakit nag-issue siya ng travel pass sa mga taong pinaghihinalaan natin na mga nagpapatakbo ng illegal Pogo Hub.
Authorities also found a bank book of Baofu with an initial deposit of 5 million pesos. There were also passports and VIP cards apparently owned by Huang.
Magagamit ito sa ipapile nating money laundering. And hindi lang ginamit yung bangko na yun para sa transaction dito sa ating transaction din sa ibang bansa. So malaking bagay itong nakuha natin mga bangko.
In other villas, some stacks of cash, jewelry, plate numbers, and passports were recovered. The Clark Development Corporation says they will be stricter in regulating POGOs.
Sa ngayon, requirement ng CDC na mag-submit ang mga locators, ang mga developers na may-ari ng mga ganitong villas ng listahan ng mga occupants.
According to the CDC, a number of undocumented occupants were rescued from the leisure park last week. They are now under the custody of the Bureau of Immigration.
Naku, ito palang, well, di ba sinasabi nga nila yung mga bosses nga,
doon
na nakita nila, ay apparently, specifically, itong si Huang Ziyang ay fugitive din ito. May wanted din siya sa China. At sinasabi nga ni Senator Risa Ontiveros, ang Chinese embassy has already expressed their intent to take custody of Wang Ziyang kung sakasakali.
What is curious lang na to note, no? Most of the construction na ginawa, walang permit.
Yes.
Pero meron kang travel pass, which is, they're still looking into saan ginamit yung travel pass. Pero, ang sinasabi kasi ni Yusek,
baka daw
during the pandemic to, and around the same time na may construction na nangyari. So, they want to take a look. Ito bang travel pass was used to ferret construction materials to and from Bamban to Porac.
During the pandemic?
Titingnan mo yan kasi wala kang permit and yet may pass ka to deliver materials.
Exactly.
That's why we have to confirm all of this. Pero ang dami nang lumalabas na stories about yung former Bamban mayor. And now, the next mayor of Bamban pa is somewhat linked to POGOs also. So bakit mahaba?
Kasama niya sa Baofu Land din.
Exactly. So ang haba ng link ng mga POGOs to the Bamban City Municipality. Oo.
Parang movie na napapanood
natin. At ang payo ng lahat daw kay Mayor Alice, stressed ka at may mental problem ka at sumasakit na yung ulo mo at pakiramdam mo. Masasakit po yan pag ikaw ay inaresto ng Senado. So might as well go there on your own free will, tapusin mo once for all, and then go home and deal with it, di ba?
Tapos yung usapin din na itong si Wang Ziyang na nakakapaglabas-masok dito sa Pilipinas ay maaaring tanungin ng Bureau of Immigration regarding this. But you can see naman, you can also assume or check, isipin na dahil siguro ang dami din naman yung mga iba't ibang passport.
Ang dami siya ibang passport, Cyprus,
iba-iba
basta yung passport niya sa China is already rescinded. In other words, wala na.
Wala na yun.
But he has, I think, 3 or 4 remaining active passports. And he could be in any of those places daw.
So talagang malalim itong mga nangyayari dito sa Pogo na to at unti-unti talaga na-unfold.
Madaming tentacles. Madaming tentacles.
Mga connections dito sa Pogo na to. But we'll see today ang Senate hearing.
Yes.
Diba, dito sa investigasyon to.